Hi guys, how can you create this Salon Poster Design Effect in Photoshop? First, unlock the background layer. Next, go to Layer New Fill Layer Solid Color and choose white as the background color. Click OK. Now select the rectangle tool. Disable the stroke, set the fill color to black, and draw a rectangle shape. Hold the Alt key and drag the rectangle to create multiple copies until you have the layout you want. Once you're done, hold the Shift key, select all the rectangle shape layers. Right-click and choose Merge Shapes. Next, drag the image layer above the merged shape layer. Go to Image Adjustments, Black and White, and click OK. Right-click the image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask so the image appears inside the rectangle shapes. Now double-click the merged rectangle layer to open Layer Style. Enable Stroke, set the size to around 2 pixels, choose black as the stroke color, and click OK. Next, select the rectangle tool again, and create another rectangle using a red fill color as a design accent. Now select the horizontal type tool and add your main title. I'll use Minion Variable Concept with a font size of around 24 points. In the Properties panel, set the Weight WGHT value to 100 for a thin, elegant look. Press Ctrl+T to resize and position the text. Add another text layer for the subtitle or additional information. Change its color to black, then increase the weight WGHT value to around 200 to make it bolder. Press Ctrl+T again to adjust the size and placement. And that's it. That's how you can create a Salon Poster Design Effect in Photoshop.